What's up going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about decision making in Lua, which is basically if something's false or if something's true to do something. So basically, if we go in here, make an if statement, if, to keep it simple, if 5 equals 5, well, equals 5, if 5 equals 5, then it'll automatically add an end, then do something. Let's just create a part because instance.new part quotation marks part. Okay, so when this runs, it should make a part because 5 does equal 5. And if 5 didn't equal 5, that would be a surprise. Okay, so I'm just gonna run this. Okay, if I run this, while we wait for this to run, and if you see right there, makes a part. See, there's a part right there. So that means it worked. Okay, so now there's another part to decision making. Okay, let's just say we want it to do something if the statement's false. So else means if 5 doesn't equal 5, it'll do this instead. How about we make instance new sphere. No. How about, I'm trying to find something that's half decent. How about we just have it print 5. So if this is false, it would print 5. But of course this isn't false because 5 equals 5, so let's make it actually false. Okay, so change that to 4. So 4 does not equal 5, so it should print 5 because, and won't make a part because 4 does not equal 5, and it never will. Even how much you try. Even that one video that's here somewhere. Yep, there it is, 5, because it's false. It printed 5. Okay, so basically just so thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.